Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Contacts permissions for project team invites, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize Google Contacts permissions for your project team invites, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Google Contacts website. Log into your Google account if you haven't already. Once logged in, look for the gear icon in the upper right corner. Click on the gear icon to access settings. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, locate the Accounts or Permissions section. Here, find the option to manage permissions for accessing contacts. Choose the option to allow permissions for your project team. You may need to enter additional information regarding your team or project. After entering the necessary details, click Save or Apply Changes. Return to the main Google Contacts page. Check if your project team members are now listed under your contacts. If they are not visible, refresh the page. You may also want to log out and back into your Google account to ensure the changes take effect. Once you see your project team members, you can start sending invites. Ensure you select the correct contacts before sending out the invites. Now, proceed to create your team invite in Google Calendar or Gmail. Select the contacts you want to invite from the list. Fill in the details of your project team invite. Finally, send out the invites to your project team. You have successfully authorized Google Contacts permissions for your project team invites. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.